What if I told you that you could unlock Kimi K3, one of the latest AI models for coding, front-end development, research, and productivity without paying anything? Well, there's an official campaign that gives you a chance to earn access just by inviting friends, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how it works step by step. Let's get started. First, open the official Kimi referral page. I've added the link in the description below if you don't already have an account to create one using your Gmail account. The sign-up process only takes a minute. Once your account is ready, download the Kimi mobile app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Now sign into the mobile app using the same account you just created after logging in. Look for the Invite to Earn section inside the app. Open it and you'll see your personal invitation link. Simply copy your referral link and start sharing it with your friends, social media followers, or anyone interested in AI tools. Every successful referral earns you draws in Kimi's official referral campaign. The more eligible referrals you get, the more draws you can collect, increasing your chances of receiving campaign rewards before you start sharing. Remember to read the campaign rules on the referral page so you understand how referrals are counted, what qualifies as a valid referral, and when rewards are distributed. If you're already recommending AI tools on YouTube, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, or other social platforms, this is an easy opportunity to participate using content you're already creating. So, to recap, open the official referral page, create your Kimi account, download the Kimi mobile app, sign in with the same account, go to Invite to Earn, copy your invitation link, then share it and start earning draws. That's it, you're officially participating in the campaign. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I regularly share official AI offers, free software, and productivity tools that can save you money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐒𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell icon so you never miss an update. And for even better deal, detailed guide, and make sure visit techpolyster.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.